Most YouTube advice tells you the same things. Post consistently. Optimize your titles. Engage with your comments. Study your analytics. Create better thumbnails. All of that is true. And none of it tells you how AI changes the speed at which you can do all of it, or how AI opens up growth levers that were simply not available to solo creators before. Today I am sharing the complete proven system I use to grow a YouTube channel faster using AI. Not theory. A specific process that covers every stage of channel growth, from research and scripting to publishing, optimization, and audience building. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why AI changes YouTube growth. Growing a YouTube channel manually is a volume and quality game simultaneously. You need enough videos to give the algorithm enough material to test. You need each video to be good enough to retain viewers once the algorithm sends them. And you need to do both consistently over a long enough period that compounding kicks in. The problem is that producing quality videos consistently at volume is brutally difficult for a solo creator without AI. Research takes hours. Scripting takes hours. Optimization takes hours. The total time investment per video is so high that most solo creators either sacrifice consistency or sacrifice quality. AI solves this by compressing the time required for every stage of production without compromising the quality of the output. More videos. Better videos. Same hours. Stage 1, research and topic selection. The fastest growing YouTube channels make deliberate topic decisions. They create content that has proven demand, people are already searching for it, rather than hoping their creative instincts align with what their audience wants. Ask Claude to help you build a topic research framework for your specific niche. Give it your channel subject, your target audience, and your current subscriber count. Ask it to identify the types of topics that perform best for channels at your stage of growth, whether that is broad appeal beginner content, highly specific deep dives, or trending topic responses. Then use an AI search tool to research what your target audience is actively searching for and discussing in your niche right now. Bring those search trends back to Claude and ask it to identify the 5 highest potential video topics based on the combination of search demand and your channel's strengths. Stage 2, script and hook optimization. Topic selection with AI takes 30 minutes instead of 3 hours. And the decisions are better because they are based on actual audience demand rather than creative guesswork. The script determines whether viewers stay or leave. And the first 30 seconds of the script determines everything. Ask Claude to write your complete video script using your style brief and your topic research. Then ask it to write 5 alternative opening hooks for the same script, 5 completely different ways to start the video that each create curiosity or deliver an immediate value promise in a different way. Test the hook that feels most compelling and most authentic to your voice. The opening 30 seconds is the highest leverage editing decision you can make. Viewers who stay past 30 seconds complete the video at dramatically higher rates than those who leave in the first half minute. Ask Claude to also review your script for retention, identifying any sections that are too long, too repetitive, or that could be tightened without losing the core message. A tighter script produces better watch time. Better watch time drives algorithmic distribution. Stage 3, title and thumbnail strategy. Your title and thumbnail determine whether your video gets clicked. Everything else is irrelevant if the click never happens. Ask Claude to write 10 title variations for each video. Give it the topic, the core promise, and the specific viewer it is aimed at. Ask for a range, curiosity gap titles, specific result titles, question-based titles, and number-based titles. For thumbnails, clear bold text that completes the title's promise, a strong visual that creates emotion, and a clean uncluttered composition that reads instantly at mobile size. Ask Claude to write the thumbnail text for every video, the 2 to 4 words appearing on the thumbnail itself. These should add information the title does not include rather than simply repeating it. Stage 4, description and metadata optimization. Every video description is a searchable document. A well-written description increases your video's chances of appearing in search results for related queries beyond your primary keyword. Ask Claude to write every video description, opening with a compelling 2-sentence summary, including relevant search phrases naturally in the first paragraph, and ending with clear calls to action. Ask Claude to also suggest 5 to 8 relevant tags for each video. Tags cost nothing to include and contribute marginally to discoverability in competitive searches. Stage 5, community and comments. The algorithm rewards videos that generate genuine engagement. Comments, replies, and community posts all signal to the algorithm that your channel deserves broader distribution. Ask Claude to write a weekly community post for your channel, a question, poll topic, or discussion prompt that is directly relevant to your audience and likely to generate responses. Community posts keep your channel active between uploads and build the habit of interaction with your audience. After every upload, spend 15 minutes replying to every comment using Claude to help draft thoughtful responses that extend the conversation. Ask Claude to write replies that answer the viewer's specific question and invite a follow-up response. Every comment thread that extends beyond one exchange signals genuine audience interest to the algorithm. Your action plan starting today. Use Claude for your next topic selection session this week. Write 5 title variations for your next video. Optimize your script opening with 3 alternative hooks. Write a description that includes your key search phrases naturally. Apply 1 stage at a time. By the time all 5 stages are running consistently, your channel's growth rate will reflect the compounding effect of better decisions at every stage simultaneously. What stage of YouTube growth are you currently at? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a proven AI system for faster YouTube growth, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.